welcome to dodl.es Live. My name is Claudia, and if this is your first time joining us, we come on every single day and do a live tutorial just for you guys about the new dodl.es app. It's an animation app that makes animating easy, fast, fun to share with your friends, and it helps you express the creativity that only you have inside of you. So I was requested to do a Maggie Simpson from the show The Simpsons by Layla, our friend Layla. We adore Layla. She's on every single day for our live streams, and so we want to make sure that we make the dodls for her because she's the best. So if you guys don't have any questions for me, I'm gonna get started, but if you do have any questions at all about the app, questions about what I'm doing, please ask and I will make sure that we respond to those, all right? Let's get started. Okay, so this is what I have so far for our Maggie Simpson. I have her little baby on the tile floor, and I just looked up what the general look of the Simpsons house looks like. They have this tile floor, they have this cabinetry that's a lot of purple actually. So this is just where I decided to start from. Hello everyone, if you're just joining us, we're doing a tutorial on Maggie Simpson. So right now this character is an entire entity, but you can use this drill feature up in the upper left-hand corner. You click on that, I can drill into her head, I can drill into her arm, to her knee, her other arm, or her pacifier. So what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wait on all of that. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit just so I can see what I'm doing. So, Olivia, should I have her move as a whole first and then move the other pieces? I think so.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Sometimes I just have to externally process the plans that I have for what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have her start over here, and we are just gonna animate her going across the tile floor just as a whole right now without the other little pieces moving. So hopefully you guys can see with my grip right now, but we're just, so if you didn't see that, I clicked on the character. You can either click on the character or you can go to the rocket on the bottom to animate right away. And then from there, you can click on that character, click animate for that, and then I'm gonna click the move button on the left-hand bar. So I'm gonna take this and drag it across the floor. All right, we'll just play that real quick. Great, and it's okay that that moves a little bit slowly because I'm gonna have her arms and knee and pacifier and head move. So since I like that, I'm gonna zoom out again just so I can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to click animate, and I'm gonna drill into that. Now let's see, I'm gonna move this first. We're gonna animate that, and we're gonna rotate it. And that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just count out loud. I never know exactly how it's gonna go. And then, if you guys haven't seen this tool before, I've talked about it a little bit when I wanna make sure I formally introduce it. This is a little circle, it looks like a target, it moves your rotation point. So when you click on the rotation point right now, it blends into that. So I used a bad color for that, but if you see it, if I move it, it's right over here, it looks like a target. I'm gonna move that to the inside of Maggie's arm right there. Great, so let's play that. So that's what her arm's gonna move like. Be able to see it like that. And it goes a little bit long, but that's okay with me. I'll play that one more time to make sure. All right, yeah, I left it in the wrong place, so it did not do what I wanted it to do, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is click on that rotation point again and move that back over to where I wanted it to go. Push play. Yeah, that's way better. That's way better, so we're gonna keep that. So then I'll tap out of the rotation point, tap out of the rotate, and this is still drilled in, but I think, and I can't move that in while you're animating, but that's okay. So I'm gonna drill out of that. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna move that arm in just a little bit, just so that it doesn't swing out so much. Great, okay. Now we're gonna animate her other arm. All right, do you guys have any questions for me so far? Any comments, concerns? I wanna make sure that I'm able to answer the questions you guys have while I'm animating. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty close. That was pretty close. All right. Now I'm going to move that rotation point again for this arm. because I want to make sure that it rotates from an appropriate place. Let's play that and see how that looks. Yay! I don't think that's bad at all. That other arm is swinging a little bit, but I am okay with it. We can redo that one later. Oh, and see that it left the rotation point, so I'm gonna move that again. Oh, actually it won't let me move over. So we're gonna get out of that. Here. Oops. I think it's that one. Recreate, rotate, and then we're gonna go like this, so. We're gonna move that rotation point to there. And we're just gonna keep that. We're just gonna go with it, see what it looks like. Yeah, and that's just little rotation. So that one didn't work for me, but I can try that again. And I actually don't like that other arm's rotation, but you guys see the gist so far. Do you guys want to see me have the pacifier move in and out? Do you want to see the knee animation? Do you guys have any questions or concerns for what I'm doing right now? Any character suggestions? I want to know what you guys want to see while we're on live today.
You guys are all quiet today.
Yeah, got those Friday droops and energy, but that's okay. We've got Maggie Simpson here. All right, so I'm gonna tap through and I can see. I'll recreate that rotate real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It's gonna be double time. That's okay. We're gonna make sure that rotation point is where we want it. Great, that's great. Now we're gonna move to the next one. Oh, and that one moved behind, which we don't want it to do. Up, up, up. Great. Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna move that back, so that one is supposed to be behind the body. Great, and then we're gonna recreate this rotate as well. It's a little bit faster. Meh, that'll work for me. See where that rotation point is. Yep, it was perfect where it was. Keep that there. So right now, when Maggie goes, you can see her arms move just a little bit. That's good with me. All right, do you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns about the app? If you guys have not seen before, what you can do is tap these 3 bars over here and it'll answer, like there's a help, there's a create new, there's the settings. The help, let's see if this will work for us. Yep, the little Craig character pops up, says let's take a tour. You can do not and down or yes. If you guys want me to walk you through this tour on live, say yes, give us a thumbs up, let us know, and then I can walk through that right now. Otherwise I can do that on our next video. But this is the tour that you do when you first download the app. We did see a review from someone that said that if you don't walk through this tour right away, it can be a little bit difficult to do, but you can always come back and do this tour later. So we'll say not now. That's our Craig character. If you guys haven't seen our Craig character before, it's based on our founder, Craig. He's pretty cool. Do you guys have any original characters that you make? I'm curious to see those. All right, so he says, no problem. Access tutorials later from inside the main menu. So just like I said, you can get those tutorials later if you choose to. Bye, Craig. All right, so I will play our Maggie Simpson animation real quick for you. It's a really small animation. I'm gonna add a little bit more for you guys, and if you wanna see the finished product, go to our story here on Instagram and you can see what that looks like. And Layla, thanks again for suggesting Maggie Simpson today. If you guys have a character that you wanna see an animation you want me to make, please shoot us a DM and let us know. I wanna make sure that I can do those. We do have a Mickey Mouse coming up on Monday. We also have something related to, what is the game? Fortnite. It's the Fortnite, it's related to that. So if you guys wanna see that, tune in next week to make sure that you see those characters. If you have something you wanna see, again, let us know. We're always curious about how you found out about dodl. So if you were searching a hashtag, if you got a DM, if we followed you and you followed back, if you ran into us at a convention, we wanna know that kind of information, so let us know. As always, go to our posts, comment, like, share, We love hearing from you guys, so feel free to shoot us DMs with questions, comments, and concerns. And if you guys don't have any more questions for me today, we are going to get going. But I look forward to seeing all of you on Monday when we go live again in the afternoon. So I hope you guys all have a really great weekend, and we will see you guys real soon. All right, bye.